You do not need that, you want attention. How many subscriptions do you actually use? When did you last check your bank statement? Do you even know what you paid for yesterday? What about that free trial you forgot to cancel? How much slipped through last month? Here is a number that might wake you up. The average person loses $3,700 yearly. That is money gone on things they forgot existed. Streaming services running in the background. Apps billing you while you sleep. Gym memberships collecting dust like bad memories. That is real money you worked hard for. Life Admin fixes this in about 2 minutes. You open the app and add your bills. Every subscription goes in one simple list. It shows you exactly what leaves your account. You see the total right there on screen. Nothing hides from you anymore. It reminds you before anything renews. No more paper notes stuffed in drawers. No more spreadsheets that stress you out. No more surprise charges ruining your morning coffee. Your phone is always with you anyway. Now your entire financial picture comes along too. That weight off your shoulders feels pretty good. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what you overpay for. The app is free on the App Store. Search Life Admin Finance Tracker right now. Takes 2 minutes to set up everything. To do it,